Okay, this is the video solution of exam59. It's the midterm for course 27000, only the Excel part. First of all, I do this video solution on the Mac. First of all, I go get my file, so I go on the Finder. Okay, go. Actually, I don't need this window. Go. Connect to server. Courses. Connect. Okay, exam Coletti. Obviously, if you are just training, you won't be able to reach exam Coletti. You can do with Scratch Echo if you're just training. But I will go to exam Coletti. Here you will find the list of your folder. This is Coletti Paolo. I take gas station, which is the only file, and I copy it on my desktop. Now on my desktop I open it. Even though you could work directly on the network disk, well, it's usually much better to work on your desktop in case the network goes down. Okay, using the data from sheet graph, in a new sheet build a graph like the one in the picture with logarithmic vertical scale, blah blah blah. So I take the data, insert, it's evidently this one. Okay, I move the chart to a new sheet. Okay, well, seems already good. There is logarithmic scale, vertical scale, so I double click, okay, logarithmic. Okay, it's already fine. And an evident non-transparent text box pointing at BZ GDP capitals column, which is this one. It's the second largest after Milan. BZ and then Bologna and Aosta. Okay, however, insert, shapes, text box. I write something, doesn't really matter. I make it non-transparent, so shape format. Oops, I lost the ribbon. I take this one. Then I put an arrow, for example, I find it here. And I make it thick because I want the professor to see it. Okay, fine, I think. Well, if you really want to remove the title, but it's not required. Okay, I save to avoid losing everything. Then I turn the page. In sheet list, produce a pivot table to display the amount of petrol stations by province and by type. Okay, insert. Pivot table. So the amount of petrol stations, this one is not necessary. Okay, by province and then by type. So I put province here, then type here. And now I realize that the table looks really odd, okay, because I have two types and a lot of provinces. So I invert them. So I put type here and province here. Okay. And now, how do I count the amount of petrol station? Well, either you take the brand, you take the name, doesn't matter what you take. The important thing is what you take gets count. If it doesn't, go here and choose count. Okay, the amount of petrol station. So you can see that the province of Ancona has 18 petrol stations on the main road and 44 away from the main road, so in urban towns. I save. In column V, insert the first three characters of the town followed by the province. So I have to go back to sheet list. Column O equal first, so left, down, semicolon 3. I zoom so you can see better. Okay, then I concatenate with the province. The province is here in column F. Okay, if you don't like the concatenate symbol, you can concatenate using the function concatenate, which works like this. Concatenate. Okay, it's the same. Okay, save. Hide column K. Ooh, difficult. Hide. Done. Produce descriptive statistics for longitude and latitude. So I save. Data. You can see in my Mac the data analysis is already installed because I do it before the exam. Descriptive statistics, descriptive statistics. For longitude and latitude. Summary statistics. Ah, sorry, labels in first row. Forgotten. We get a result also. Oh, it's taking a lifetime. In the meantime, I read on. Produce an histogram of population. Come on, my Mac is stuck. Is it so difficult? Okay. Produce an histogram of population. And then you have, okay, oh, finally. Save, because after all this time. So, histogram of population. Data analysis. Histogram. Input range. Population. Labels. Chart output. Let's see the result. Wow, pretty bad, eh? So I remove the sheet completely. Data, so first I set up the bins, so population, let's take a look. The average is 1 million, but I can see population of 200,000 of 2 millions. So let's see, what do we choose as bins? Binning, let's say from 0 to 100,000. And 200,000, maybe it's too small, but let's see the result. And I arrive up to 3 millions. Okay. I try to do it also with 250,000, it works fine. Histogram, everything is set up. Bin range, exactly this one. Okay, it's the histogram. Click, remove the gap. Done, I save. In sheet web, remove all hyperlinks. Let's see whether on the Mac it's possible to do it automatically. Right click. No, it's not possible. Let's see whether I can do it just selecting the cells which have hyperlinks. Yes. Okay. Alternatively, you just take A and B, copy, paste here using the paste values. So alternative is a possibility. Alternatively, you take A and B, copy, go here, paste these values, okay, and then you destroy. Okay, let's see. And I will never be able to discover that you have used this trick. Save. In a new sheet, in column A, insert the numbers from 200 to minus 50 with steps of 5. So new sheet. The numbers from 200 to minus 50 with steps of 5. So 195. Now I drag down. Minus 50. Ah, okay. In column B, insert this formula. So, equal ABS, the absolute value of this thing here, to the power of 1.5. I don't remember whether the point or the dot is my decimal separator. I think the comma, plus x divided by 2. Parentheses here is not necessary because you should remember from elementary school that the division has priority over the addition, -3, and also over the subtraction. Click, click. In cell C1, C3, insert the minimum, maximum, and mean of column B. Equal mean, difficult, eh? Look, I don't even select the right range, so equal max, equal average. I remind you that the mean is the average. Don't look for a function called mean. Save. In column D, insert the values of column B without the formulas. So copy, paste values. Okay. Okay. Now let's build now the mathematical graph. Insert, scatter, move chart to a new sheet. Okay, this x is exactly for -50 to 200. Okay, that's fine, I think. Line thick and red. Red and thick. Where is thick? Thick, 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 thick. White. Okay. Okay. Save. Close Excel. Save again just to be sure. Okay. File is here. The file is here. The directory is here. Now I copy the file back. I am sure to copy it from my desktop to the network directory and not vice versa. So I check, look 3 times. Okay. Oh. Not keep both, replace. Okay. The Windows is much better because it tells you explicitly from where to where. Okay. Come on. Okay, I'm connected from home, so it takes time. And the video is over.